Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna unbox Bling bag for the month of December. So let's just open it and check out what blings I got this time. Alright, so this is how the Bling bag looks like. It's pink box, like pink cardboard box, floral. So let's just open and see. Here I have some info cards where all the details of the bag is given, and their this time theme is the December Frosty Glam Bling bag. Then I have a coupon code for my next order, like it's like 100 rupees off. So yeah, that's that. Let's just check out the actual bag. Ooh, so this is how the bag looks like. I really liked the bag. It's like a ombre, like a gradient pink blue sparkly glittery pouch. Really pretty pouch. I really like the pouch. It's kind of giving me mermaid vibes. So let's just open and see the jewelry. All right, so in Bling bag you can see that every jewelry piece comes in these kind of small pouches, which are very nice thing to store your jewelry. This is how you can store your actual jewelry, so I really like this thing about them. So let's just open the jewelry. All right, so the very first pair is a pair of earrings, and I really like it. It's like a very Christmas appropriate earring, I would say, because they are like crystally, like snowflaked pattern earrings. This is how they look like. These are really nice, and these one retails for 799 rupees. Yeah, so that's that. Let's just check out what else I have. All right, the another pair of earring is also kind of like similar. It has like white pearl and some blinginess just like this. So let's just see. So guys, my mic stopped working, so I am doing voiceover now. So these are really pretty dangler earrings, and with some silver and pearl going on, and these one retails for about 799 rupees. So the next piece is these floral earrings. These are like stone earrings, and these are like where you have like a fancy back and a normal stud like toppish. And I love these kind of earrings because you can just pair it with any kind of toppish with a fancy back. So they are like multi-purpose earrings, and these one retails for 699 Indian rupees. So the next piece is this really nice silver pendant. It has some green stones going on, and this kind of pendant will look really nice with some plain top or plain sweater. So this is how it looks like, and this one retails for about 999 rupees. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.